So my guys, my fans all around the world. So the other place I showed us, 2 there. Yes, 2. 1.5. So in this particular place you're seeing here now is 3. I will shock you now. Don't play. You know why I'm doing this? Because I want to show you guys that even in rainy season, don't play. Okay. So in this particular place, we are able to harvest. Very well. Okay, that's 2. Where's it? Almost ant. Guys, there's a lot of ants because of the rain, so you can only carry the bunches for now. Maybe we will come later for the seed when we are less busy. Guys, I had to do this magic. So we are not going to be able to pack the seeds because of the ants. There are so many. So guys, if you watch this video to this final video, you will find our videos informative video great on about what engaging. Don't forget it's the #1 favorite agriculturalist and farmer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a video.